guys, if we're now gonna open the Easter eggs that we collect earlier. If you haven't watched the video where we collect Easter eggs, go watch them now before you watch this video. Okay, let's open now the eggs. What is this? Ooh, some Smarties.
Put your Smarties there. Yeah. So I think you have to remove this and keep the open eggs here. Put the open egg here. No, don't crack it open. Keep it back.
Okay.
Right. Put it down here. So each time you put it there.
Okay. And this one. Ooh, there's a sticker. It's a bird. And then a jelly beans. The only thing is I don't know how to close the eggs.
Okay, call mommy.
There.
Here.
This is the third one. If you watch, comment egg 13 if you watch the other video. The sheep is very hard to open. How is this very hard to open?
You want me to help you?
Yes.
I will post it.
Yes.
Pen.
Oh, another sticker. It's a sheep.
Show.
It's a sheep. And then, what is this? Warheads.
Oh, warheads.
Yes.
Whoa, and what's the other one? Warheads then.
Warheads again.
Yo,
Why?
those are nice. Warhead candies are nice.
How does it taste like?
It tastes good.
Okay, buy sheep. So let's just take this one first. It's a chip.
It's a chick.
Yes. Jelly beans again. Imagine some more Smarties. What's worse? Huh? Those are 4 eggs. There's the 5th one. No, later na lang yung isang sheep. Ito na muna. Ooh, some more Smarties. I have 4 Smarties now in my bag. Number 6. This is the one that I found in this area. In here.
Okay.
Bilisan mo. Easter hunt. Ooh, a big sticker and always jelly beans. Okay, I'm taking that jelly beans. I love the orange jelly beans. I know what's inside this.
But can you rotate the electric fan so it will come to you?
This is the 7th egg. I know what's inside this now. I can see. It's Smarties.
Yes. Good. So now everywhere it will be ano. Pati mo buksan yung ano, Je?
The 8th egg also.
Sa likod, oh.
The 8th egg also is some Smarties.
Oh.
There's so many Smarties.
Give me the egg once you finish. So you will be quick.
What's inside this? Oh, 5 pesos!
I'll keep the 5 pesos there.
5 pesos! Dito ko ilagay.
Yes.
I'll put there.
Ang alin? Nahulog? Ayusin lang natin.
Here's the 10th egg. Oh, it's a bunny. Comment third egg. Comment third egg if you watch the other video.
Yes. Pagkadikit lalagyan natin ng rubber.
A bunny. And jelly beans again.
Kaya mo?
Oh, you can see its tail.
Yes.
Comment tail. Comment tail if you see it. Okay, let's see what's this one. Smarties. This egg is Smarties. Let's see this one. Oh, another one. Let's see this one. Oh my god. Jelly beans again. And a sticker. Comment 4 stickers if you're watching this video. Lads, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This is a bird. Oh, a bird egg. Something. Oh my god! 20 pesos! Oh my god! 20 pesos!
20 pesos naman. I'll put it there.
Stickers.
Yes.
Comment 5 stickers or 25 pesos. I remember this one. This is the twin sheep. Let's open the sheep. Hirap.
Wait lang.
Yeah, the sheep ones are very hard. But how is their sheep? How was there the sheep? Hey, come on. Ayun, bukas ko na.
You got it, right? I told you can do
Another
that.
sheep. One.
Another sheep?
Yes, and 2 more warheads. There are 2 more warheads.
Okay.
Oh my god, you can see the face of the sheep inside.
Okay, go.
You can see the face of the sheep inside.
Yes.
And outside too. Comment sheep if you're watching. There's still more to go. Oh, looks like I missed a sticker here.
Nakabit mo na, Je? Ano yung ginagawa mo?
I can see if you open this one, there are 2 more Smarties, guys.
Rugby.
If we keep on subscribing, we will be reach 500 subscribers. We're now at 312.
Okay,
That's
go.
why keep subscribing. Another Easter hunt. What's inside this? Another sheep
Another sheep.
and jelly beans.
How many more?
I don't know. But it's hard to close, huh?
Kina.
Smarties. I know what's inside these Smarties. Why do we have so many Smarties?
Because you're smart?
Then what? 6 times 3?
What?
18.
I don't know.
Some
Come
people
on,
say
because I need to help
21
mommy.
is wrong. Comment wrong in math if you're watching this video. Jelly beans. We have already a pack of jelly beans. And these.
Walang warheads na ako. Konti warheads.
4 lang.
Gusto mo sarap yung warheads. Maano yan, maasim. Kina.
Okay. You know what's inside you? Why did you bring some in? Why did when you bought this we can already they put this egg we can already see inside? Like what's wrong with them? Comment what's wrong with them when you're watching this video.
Hindi, bossing, wag yan. Teka. Tapusin ko na to. Konti na to eh. Yung double-sided pa rin lalagay natin, pero unti-unti lang.
Comment pack of jelly beans if you're watching this video.
3 more to go.
4
more to go.
Yes. Oh, I already said it. Why are the eggs wet?
I don't know.
Oh. Yeah, you have to really comment jelly beans if you're watching this video. It keeps on giving me the whole pack of jelly beans. Smarties. Every time they got...
Go, give some candies to your friend at the back, okay?
Okay. Smarties. I will give the jelly beans.
No, but not all.
Okay.
Saan pa yan? Ibigyan mo pa yung iba. Akin na dito yan.
Wait lang. This egg is... Oh, there's 2 stickers.
Good
Instead of
job.
one.
Good job.
And then
Oh, nahulog yung isa.
the jelly beans.
Meron ka bang goodie bag?
Ha?
Last one?
Yes.
That's why it's basa because it came from the
The pool, yeah.
from the pool.
Oh, Smarties again. Okay, that's all the eggs. Pause mo. Okay, comment big egg if you're watching this video. Oh my god, there's so many inside. 2 Smarties, 2 Warheads, jelly bean, and what's this big sticker? Whoa! Easter hat and this one.
Show.
Whoa, this big egg is so neat. Please, when we buy more of these, please give me some more big eggs. I love these.
Oh. Kena.
Help.
Say bye everyone na.
Wait lang. I'll tell them pa what I got.
Teka, papost ko muna.
Thank you guys for watching. Please watch some more Easter hunt videos next year and some more in coming years. And once again, thank you for 312 subscribers. Please like and subscribe and press the notification bell and comment done when you are done. And then there you go. You're a fan. Bye.